everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have an unboxing to share with you. Let me get this one open. I've done some big ones lately. This is looks like a smaller one. Yes, this is part of the small canvas experiment where I am trying to find small canvases that look good. We all hear bigger is better, but I'm convinced that there are some small ones out there that are going to be nice. Oh, this is my adorable little unicorn, little cartoon unicorn with little hearts around her head. Let me put the picture up for you so you can see the whole image. And here's the toolkit. It's a pen with a single and a 6-placer, a green boat with a cutout, pink wax, and some tweezers. Very nice. I'm very happy with these colors. Look at how beautiful they are. Pinks and purples and pastel green. Very nice. It's a white background because I see a lot of white in there. Okay, this is a 20 by 25, tiny, full drill round. These little ones, you know, I have some big canvases that I'm doing right now that I need to finish, but I'm trying to break it up and do some of the smaller ones in between. These are the smallest ones I've ever done, 20 by 25. Let's see, even this little one is around a foam core. I really like that. That's my preferred method of packaging. Bubble wrap or whatever, a box, that's fine, but it needs to be around a foam core. Okay, let me peel the paper up so it'll lay flat and we can see it. This is so cute. I really hope this comes out nice. But it's so simple. Pretty little pastel colors. You know, you can't go wrong with a heart. It's not a complicated shape with a lot of detail. I think this is going to be adorable. Very, very happy. All the information, if you would like to get one just like this, is in the description. There will always be a link. If you have any questions, just comment on the video and I will answer. I read all the comments and I try to answer as many as I can. So, oh, baby just came up to visit me. She was laying here for a long time and then she just took off. Go ahead, assume your position. Isn't she funny? She's got such a long body and she's always kind of hunched. And she's very agile. I mean, this is a tall bed and she can jump up here, no problem. Oh, there's a fly. Get the fly. Get the fly, baby. Get it. She's a hunter girl with a cute tail. Okay, that's it. I have a couple more to do. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for joining me. Bibi's giving a little bow. She knows she looks pretty since she got groomed. You have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.